Hello everyone. By the way, this is Coach Jomi Mendoza, OFW from former OFW from Saudi Arabia, and now I introduced this. Someone introduced this company, AGG, and I am now to work it out full time. And because of this company, I really changed my life because when I was an OFW in Saudi Arabia, I am a delivery boy in McDonald's. You know McDonald's? McDonald's is my company there in Saudi Arabia. But because of this company AGG, okay, I'm going home in the Philippines to work this company, and now after 7 years, I became the top 8 of the company, and now I bought fourth car. My first car is Toyota Vios, second car is GT86, third car is Fortuner, and fourth car is Camaro.
This is the boardroom where
And I bought
conducted our meetings.
I built my parents' house worth 3 million like that peso, and now I built my own house here in Hayay Highland. My neighbor is called Albert Jasma. Okay? And I hope na you're inspired a lot from me because I am beginners before. I am not picky about this online platform, about this online, but because of the system, because of the attitude, like yes coach attitude, now I'm very happy because I'm already get the result that I want. Okay, so thank you and be the next.
Okay, so guys,